Welcome to the review of the recently launched product, that is Sony Cinema Line FX30 Super 35 camera with XLR handle unit. This is another series into the Sony Cinema Line, which was released today. The Sony FX30 can be bought at a price of $92 per month or a one-time price of $1,799.99. That is only with the body alone. But if you want the body plus the XLR handle unit, then you would need to pay an amount of $2,199.99. These prices are on the official website of Sony. To start it off, let me take you through the specification. The battery operating time. Actual recording CIPA standard is approximately 115 minutes. Continuous recording or the CIPA standard approximately 175 minutes. Still image CIPA standard approximately 570 shots. Size and weight. The size and weight are also approximates. Weight for the main unit only 646 gram, 1 lb 6.8 OZ with battery and memory card included. 562 G grams, 1 lb 3.8 OZ body only. Weight including 951 grams. Dimensions: width times height times is 129.7 millimeters times 77.8 millimeters times 84.5 millimeters. Well, the other features about this item is the megapixel is up to 20.1, XML R trademark, FC Super 35mm format image sensor with wide dynamic range, S-Cinetone trademark for a cinematic look straight out of the camera without breathing, flexible ISO, Cine EL Quick and Cine L Log shooting modules for optimized image quality. User LUTs can be applied to the LCD display and HDMI output and embedded in clips. Goal-based ISO and a 14 plus stops cube range for wide latitude and low noise images. Log recording for smooth cinematic image quality when color grading. Dependable, accurate autofocus with real-time high and real-time tracking AF. Image stabilization active mode. Supports RL movie shooting. Extensive recording formats for high image quality and advanced post-production. Creative slow motion options with up to 4K UFHD 120p with autofocus. 4K 16-bit RAW output from HDMI terminal for compatible external recorders. A selection of creative looks to create interesting moods right in the camera. Sophisticated focus functions to handle any situation. Uninterrupted 4K 60p FPS recording with cooling fan ventilation. Metadata to facilitate editing with Catalyst Browse and Prepare software. Proxy recording for efficient editing workflow. XLR handle unit for high quality external audio input. Time code input synchronization capability. Still image shooting function. New list style main menu for quick access to frequently used items. Flexible high resolution touch panel LCD monitor. Broad connectivity for a wide range of shooting needs. Dual cut slots, both compatible with CFX Press Type A and SDXC/SDAC. Recording quarterly lamps and emphasized record display. comprehensive zoom control, uninterrupted power for extended recording by USB PD support, multiple quarter 20 threaded mounting points make a cage unnecessary, compact, lightweight body designed for mobility, dust and moisture resistant design to handle challenging environment, durable magnesium alloy chassis, one mount connects seamlessly with E-mount interchangeable lenses. Now, to my side, I think this has been one of the best moves Sony has ever made. Now, we can get cinematic cameras for making high quality, world class movies at only $2,199.9 or $92 per month, which is a very good move. And I think many companies will adapt to this trend. Thank you.